So let's keep the stream from the output from the computer. Thank you, John. So this demo will be very quick. That's actually the purpose of the demo, hopefully. So now you will understand why. And then we will try again with Nadav and Spark and Charge. So John, that you already know from the panels, will now introduce you the reason this demo should not take a lot of your time. Photography problems. And now John with the demo.
So a few times today you probably heard me bring up BitRefill and what we do is in the Lightning network area. And our first service that we provided was called Thor. And Thor is basically a way to have us open a channel with our node, from our node to you, to be able to hop onto the Lightning network and receive payments. So it basically consisted of the ability to choose an amount of capacity that you wanted allocated to your channel, and you would pay us, and we would open that channel to you. This would make it very easy to make payments, etc. Receive payments, I should say. As I mentioned in an earlier presentation, you saw a lot of people use this, for example, when they're passing around the Lightning Network torch. A lot of people needed more liquidity, and liquidity is a concept that is more complicated and new and different than Bitcoin, and it's one of the kind of user experience things that have to be managed. And there are a lot of technologies coming out for Lightning that help manage this. In the meantime, as a central service provider, we want to make things like this easier. So after Thor, we decided what would we do next? Well, we came up with this idea with, well, we didn't come up with the idea with Anton from Bitcoin Lightning Wallet did, along with a friend of his named Martin. And we decided that we would be reckless and we would break rules. And because Lightning gives you this capability within one channel, we rewrote the rules. And we made it so we could basically instantly allow you to have a channel without waiting for confirmations, instantly have Bitcoin in that channel, not just capacity, and instantly be able to spend that Bitcoin. So basically, as soon as you buy a turbo channel from us, you will instantly receive a link to be able to add to your Bitcoin Lightning wallet that will instantly have an open channel with a custom amount of capacity, a custom amount of Bitcoin, and you can instantly pay from that channel. You don't have to wait. I've done some speed tests where basically I've been trying to see how fast I can do it, how I can go from having no Lightning channel open with no Bitcoin in it to actually tipping someone, and I can do it in about a minute. So what I'll do now is we'll switch to the phone, and I'll just demo actually the process of actually buying a channel from the BitRefill app, in this case, and then I'll spend the Bitcoin, and I'll show you basically how fast you actually can use Lightning when you're willing to break the rules. Okay. Let's get closer here. All right. Sorry. Okay, so you can see I have two apps here. I have the BitRefill app on the top and Bitcoin Lightning Wallet in the middle. Okay. We added a nice little category for Lightning. You can see our two channel options. There's a little explanation here. And you can see we have currently four pre-configured options of where you can choose your capacity and the amount of Bitcoin. So I'll do the lowest option right now. This is an account in the Bitcoin app, so it's already preloaded with Bitcoin. However, to pay for at BitRefill, we do accept zero-conf. Another reckless thing we do is we accept zero-conf transactions. So technically, it will be just as fast if you want to send Bitcoin as long as you don't mark flag RBF. So we'll accept the transaction instantly and continue. So you can see here already we've confirmed that your channel is ready. There's a nice little button that says open in BLW. I already have BLW installed, which is Bitcoin Lightning Wallet. You can see it says no off-chain funds there, so I have no Lightning funds. There it says opening at the top, that's the new channel, and it's open. Now you can see I have 500,000 sat in my Lightning wallet I did not have before. I'm going to visit my friend HODLNOT, the Lightning Torch creator. Send him a tip. Let's refresh. Oh, I know. I'm going to show. I have to find it first. So here you go. There's the Tip and Me page for HODLNOT on Twitter. Some of you may know him as the guy leading the Lightning Torch. I'll copy a payment request. Go back to Bitcoin Lightning Wallet. You can see here where I can click send. Paste the invoice. Choose the amount. We'll throw, that's not enough. Okay, so here we go. The amount's entered. Mind you, right now the channel is not confirmed. My phone just vibrated, it's done. So that's it. I didn't do a speed run because I was explaining to you, but you can do this if you really try in under a minute. So this is taking what's already fast and making it as fast as possible for people to onboard. And so this basically means that we're reducing the amount of friction any way we can. We don't manage the liquidity after that, but you can basically go to your friend, tell them to install a mobile wallet, say, hey, here's how Lightning works, get them right on Lightning, and instantly show them they can spend the money. You can't receive with this technology. You can only spend, but once it confirms, you can receive.
Thank you very much, John. So, last presentation, this one was fast for a reason, as you have seen. And now we try again to solve the deep blockchain smart contract related problems that we had before, and to provide you some insight into Charge and also the Spark application that Jonas before showed to you.